welcome to DIYYolande. Thank you so much for 139 subscribers that I have at the moment. Thank you so much, guys, for investing your time, your data onto DIYYolande. Order from a friend of mine. She's asked for me to make her weave holder, display purposes. I'm using it to hold my hats and my cap. Do enjoy this video and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. The items for today's DIY is a mask, a cutter, masking tape, sandpaper, gold and grey spray paint, gloves just in case, glue, a drill, and two 2-meter doodle sticks, and a PVC pipe. Step 1. Mark the points where you want the sticks to be placed. Step 2. Mark the doodle sticks to be 20 centimeters in length. Step 3. Cut the sticks as marked. Step 4. Sand down the ends so they are smooth. Step 5. Mark the size of the 10 holes. It should look like this. Step 6. Drill the 10 holes to fit to size. It should look like this. Our next step involves me now putting glue to attach these sticks onto the stand. Okay, let's get working. So now we are going to prep the PVC pipe for spray painting, and we are going to prep the wood pieces for spray painting. This custom wig holder or weave holder is a special order, and she'd like the color gold on the wooden pieces, and she would love the stand to be grey, a matte grey. So hence we are going to be prepping and sanding them down so that when I spray paint, the spray paint holds and doesn't slide down the PVC pipe. Step 9. Spray paint the sticks gold. wait for this to dry. Then when it's dry, I'm going to do the second coat of gold spray paint. And thereafter, we will then, with newspaper, with newspaper, we're going to just cover the gold wood sticks, and then we're going to spray paint the whole PVC in a gray spray paint. The first coat, I want to do at least 4 coats because I wanted to also have a very matte finish. This is the first coat. I'm going to let it dry, then I'm going to do the second coat, the third coat, then the fourth coat, then I'll show you how it looks. Step 11. We are now building a stand for the weave holder. Ensure to press down so that the 2 pieces attach. And repeat the same process on the other side. Make a circular mark at the center of the stand so the PVC pipe fits snugly. And there you have it, a complete 10-piece weave or hat holder. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, subscribe and share this video, and I look forward to seeing your retake of this DIY. See you next time. Peace.